Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pradeep Kumar MR, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli. In this session, I will be discussing on the topic Anthelmintic agents. Introduction. Anthelmintics or Anti-Helmintics refers to a group of anti-parasitic drugs that are known to expel parasitic worms, that is helminths, and other internal parasites from the body by either paralyzing or killing them, and also without causing significant damage to the host. The infection causing agents are either roundworms, which are also known as nematodes, flukes, which are also known as trematodes, tapeworms, which are also known as cystodes. This is the image of nematode. This image represents flukes, and this is the image for tapeworms. Anthelmintics act locally to expel the worms from GIT or systemically to eradicate the helmintics that invade the organs or tissues. WHO estimated that approximately 2 billion people annually were infected with soil transmitted helminthiasis, 249 million with schistosomiasis, 56 million people with foodborne trematodiasis, 120 million with lymphatic filariasis, 17 million people with onchocerciasis, and 1 million people with echinococcosis. Coming to the classification of the anthelmintic agents, there are totally 9 different classes of drugs employed for the treatment of anthelmintic agents. First one, benzimidazoles. Second one, quinolines and isoquinolines. Third one, piperazine derivatives. Fourth one, vinyl pyrimidines. Fifth one, amides. Sixth one, natural products. Seventh one, organophosphorus compounds. Eighth one, imidazole and the ninth one, nitro derivatives. Coming to the first class, benzimidazoles. This is the general structure of benzimidazoles. These agents are particularly effective against gastrointestinal nematodes. These are highly effective against Ascaris, Enterobius, Trichuris, and hookworm infections as single or mixed infections. Based on the presence of different groups at the fifth position, that is at the R, there are different drugs from this category. Here are the examples: albendazole, mebendazole, flubendazole, cyclobendazole, dribendazole, fenbendazole, oxybendazole, and perbendazole, that is based on the substitution, that is aromatic aliphatic substitutions at the are the different types of benzimidazole compounds developed. The second class is quinolines and isoquinolines. Examples include oxamniquin and praziquantel. This is the structure for oxamniquin, and this is the structure for praziquantel. Coming to the next class, piperazine derivatives. Examples include piperazine citrate, diethyl carbamazine citrate, which is also known in short form as DEC. This is the structure for piperazine citrate, and this is the structure for diethyl carbamazine citrate, that is DEC. Next class is vinyl pyrimidines. The parent moiety present in these compounds is pyrimidine. Examples include pyrantel, palmoate, and oxantel. This is the structure for pyrantel, palmoate, and this is the structure for oxantel. Next class, amides. Example, niclosamide. This is the structure for niclosamide. Next class is natural products. Example includes ivermectin. It is available in the two forms, ivermectin B1A, another ivermectin B1B. Based on the difference in the R substitution in the parent structure, they exist as ivermectin B1A and ivermectin B1B. The next class is organophosphorus compounds. Example includes metriphonate. This is the structure for metriphonate. The next class is imidazothiazoles. Here we could see in the structure the imidazole heterocyclic ring is fused with the thiazole ring. So this particular compound is known as imidazothiazole. Example includes levamisole, and this is the structure specifically for the levamisole. Coming to the next class, that is nitro derivatives. Example is niridazole. This is the structure for niridazole. Coming to the synthesis of some important anthelmintic agents, in that the first one is synthesis of albendazole. In the synthesis of albendazole, the starting material used is 3-mercaptophenyl acetamide. This reactant on treatment with bromopropane undergoes alkylation to give rise to the compound N3-propyl thiophenyl acetamide. This compound, further treatment with nitric acid, results in the formation of N2-nitro-5-propylthiophenyl acetamide, which further treatment with the palladium catalyst and hydrogen in presence of sodium hydroxide leads to the formation of an intermediate which on further reaction results in the formation of albendazole with the liberation of ammonia and methyl thiol group. Coming to the synthesis of thiabendazole. Here, the starting material taken as a reactant is thiazolonitrile, which on treatment with aniline in presence of aluminum trichloride results in the formation of a compound that is N-phenyl thiazole 4-carboxamidine. This particular compound on further treatment with sodium oxychloride results in the formation of N-phenylthiazole 4-carboxamidine, which on further treatment with potassium hydroxide, that is a strong alkali, results in the formation of thiabendazole. Next, synthesis of diethyl carbamazine citrate. In this synthesis, the two reactants, that is N-methylpiperazine and diethyl carbamyl chloride, undergo a condensation reaction with the liberation of hydrochloric acid to form diethyl carbamazine, which on further treatment with citric acid results in the formation of diethyl carbamazine citrate, that is DEC. Next, the synthesis of levamisole. This is a 4-step synthesis. In the first step, thiourea undergoes a reaction with 1,2-dibromoethane to produce a cyclized compound, that is thiazolidine 2-imine. This on further treatment with stearyl oxide results in the formation of a compound that is 1-phenyl 2-thiazolidine 3-eel ethanol, which on further treatment with thionyl chloride results in the replacement of OH by chlorine group. Further, this compound on treatment with decamphor sulfonic acid and acetic anhydride results in the formation of levamisole. After studying the anthelmintics, it is important to know some frequently asked questions from this. So those include: first, what are anthelmintics? Classify them with examples. Second one, write a note on benzimidazoles as anthelmintics. Third one, write the synthesis of thiabendazole. Fourth one, write the synthesis of levamisole. Fifth one, write a note on pyrimidine derivatives as anthelmintics. Sixth one, give the synthesis of albendazole. Seventh one, give the synthesis of diethyl carbamazine citrate. Eighth one, give the structure and use of metriphonate and niclosamide. Thank you.